Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about one of the simplest algorithm in computer science, which is bubble sort. Bubble sort is a beginner friendly algorithm that helps us understand how sorting works. It is not the fastest algorithm for large data. It is a great algorithm to learn because the logic behind it is simple and important for understanding more advanced sorting algorithms. Let me show how it works with a simple visual program I made. So as you can see, there are few bars. Each bar represent a number by its height, and you can see this is the number it represent. If I start this program, it's going to swap the neighbors and sorting using bubble sort. Let's see how it works. As you can see, the red is how the neighbors are swapping and how they are going to recursively check for the neighbors. So it's sorted according to the number from the smallest to largest. So let's get to the IntelliJ and let's implement this with Java. First, we have our method that receives an array as input. The goal of this method is to rearrange the element of this array into ascending order. Bubble sort requires two loops. As you can see, there is the two loops. The first loop controls how many times go through the array. Each time this loop runs, we complete one pass. The largest unsorted element moves to its correct position at the end. Now let's take a look at the second loop. This loop is responsible for comparing adjacent elements. You might notice array.length minus 1 minus I. So the reason is that after every pass, the last part of the array is already sorted, so we don't need to check those elements again. Now we have the important part of the bubble sort, which is the comparison. This condition checks whether the current element is greater than the next element. If it is greater, they are in the wrong order, so we swap them. To swap two values, we use temporary variable. The temporary variable stores the original value, because if we directly replace one value, we would lose the data. Now I'm going to test this algorithm with some test cases I have made. So this is my test cases. As you can see, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 test cases. So the first one is normal array. The second one is already sorted array. Third one is bubble sort reverse array. That means it is in reverse order. Bubble sort algorithm has to go through all values. Let's run this test and check if the all test cases are passed. As you can see, 8 test passes. So how we are checking if it's passed is this is our input and it should return this output. So if it's correct, the test is passed. Let me show you if it's what happen if it fails. I'm going to remove this 5 and then run again. As you can see, one test failed and 7 passed. So that means it really works. Let me show you how this works with uh, print in console. So first I'm going to call this bubble sort algorithm in the main. I'm going to call the class. I'm going to build a new object using algorithms. Algorithms equals new algorithms. This means this simple a the algorithms begin with simple is an object, and I'm going to call the bubble sort algorithm inside that object, and I'm going to pass a some variable, some array. Let's get this array. Okay, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. So this array name is input. Then I'm going to print this in console. So we are using system.out.println, and for arrays we are using arrays.toString. Then I'm going to run this. As you can see, it is sorted, which is this array, and it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and it is in the correct order now. Even though bubble sort is not commonly used for large applications because of its low performance, it is an excellent algorithm for understanding sorting comparisons and swapping. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.